Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and you can see my face. So I said when I filmed my last budget video I would try and film another one with my face as well as my computer screen. So hopefully my computer screen is like here. I'm hoping when you are seeing this, and I'll switch up to that being bigger in a second. So this is my budgeting video for May. I mostly budget in Excel. I am in a relationship. I live with my parents, I pay them rent. I live with my boyfriend as well as my parents, and he also pays my parents rent. We have no other bills really other than like our phone bills and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the background. So let's jump over to my computer screen, and this picture will hopefully go smaller and the screen will come bigger, and yeah, we'll jump over to my computer screen. So as usual, I need to start off with what I spent this month. So I what am I going to say? Gonna pop across to my spending tab and work these things out. So direct debits were $968.14. Does that sound right? That is different because of my phone bill is half price at the moment, but it won't be soon. Travel, I spent £94. Again, I need to put it as a negative. Food, I've literally spent nothing. Fun money, general, I've just bought some books which were $15.70, and planner stuff. So the Erin Condrens came out earlier, and I'm filming this on the day that Erin Condrens came out. So they came out today. So I've spent a lot of money on planner stuff. So I need to add these together. I haven't added them as I would have gone along, because my includes the $15.70. So obviously I went massively over budget for that, but I didn't expect to buy an Erin Condren, and actually the difference in that is less than I spent on Erin Condren, so I'm going to take that. Because actually, other than my Erin Condren, I only spent $7.85 this month. So yeah, I'll take that. Then again, spent absolutely nothing. So really, it's not been too bad a month. I've spent just over £1,000, £1,245. I will take that. So I'm going to bob across to my budget and have a little look. So the money to my mum and dad that I pay for rent is staying the same, meal out funds staying the same. These are all going to stay the same because these are phone bills. Well, to be fair, actually this is £10 at the moment, so that should really be 10. Patreon's going to stay the same, BMA is staying the same, though I'm still debating cancelling that. And that's all the same. So that's changed a little bit, which should actually be what I paid this month. Let's just check that. Yeah. It was 2p different, but I assume it's something to do with why was it 2p different? To do with Patreon or something. Don't know. Patreon, this is a pound estimation of the dollar amount, so it will always be a little bit different. Travel, I only spent £94, but I do need petrol in the next few days, so I spent about 50 quid on petrol twice, so I'm gonna stick to 150 for petrol because yeah, I'm not going to have any additional petrol because I'm not going anywhere. That's going to stay at 80 and that's going to stay at 45. I think I'll be working that out when I come across to my sinking funds in a minute, so I'll think about that in a minute. Need this amount to come across. I just drag these across and then delete the one in the middle because then why is that? No, because that's not a calculation. That should be a calculation though, why isn't it? That's actually wrong. Let's try that again. There we go. Eating out, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to put £10 and £20 because that's all I need. Toiletries, etc. can stay as 20, prepayment can stay as it is. Stud indemnity fund and GMC can stay the same at the moment. Fun money, general, I'm going to stick at 20. No, I'm going to stick at 30 just in case I want to buy some more books because I'm reading so much more and I might want to buy like some video games and stuff, so I'm going to leave that at 30. Stationery, I'm going to put at 40 because next month I only intend to buy from my PR pack from Plan Face and from Beth of Colourful & Co. They are my only planned planner spends next month. Clothes is going to stay the same, presents is always the same, other can stick at 10. And these are all going to stay the same, aren't they? Cool, so I'm just going to copy across all of this little lot. Fabulous. So, except that's wrong. That's there. Put in. So now let's go into my sinking funds, I think, because I'm going to change a couple of things in my sinking funds, so it makes sense to go there next. So, in April, we did get that £95 back from holiday, so this is going to change to £195 income because I've got the £95 going back in from the refunded holiday. Rent meals, I bought a takeaway for us. I bought some face wash, and my car insurance was due this month. And that's literally it. That is it. And then I grabbed my phone, which I've got here. Yep. Look at my little Simply Gilded cover. I mean, it properly looks distorted colour in that. So I'm just going to go into my sinking funds bank account and check how much there is in there. So, because this is a bit weird this month, so what I said last month about it being these three costs that I would need to move across isn't true. So there's £3,036.30 in there. So, I'm actually going to put this as minus 95, and then I paid for this out of the rent meal out of the account, so that should be... Why is that so wrong? Give me a minute. It's because the right amount of money didn't go into the account. Only £591 did. I think after my last video I changed some things by roughly £200, but what the hell? I'm so confused. Apparently I'm still paying in the same as I was in February, and I've not increased it by £200, and then I've got some interest. That's the problem. Okay, so I owed this £200, which is fine, because that's why it doesn't work, and that's fine. I need to make sure that is changed, and I think what I did last time is I checked it, but it was too close to when the direct debit was due, so it didn't change properly. So that's fine. Anyway, I need to pay myself £200. So I'm just going to go on my phone and do that. So my balance, I'm getting a phone call, that never happens. My balance on the account now is £2,804.07, which is correct. Right, however, I just bought my planner, so I realised I should probably have a sinking fund for my planner. I probably shouldn't have moved money yet, because actually I probably don't want to move that money. I need to just check my anyway, so planner. So to work out how much I want for my sinking fund, I need to consider how much my planner was. So this year I paid about 160 quid. If I divided that directly by 12, it would be 13 quid a month. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 15 quid a month into a planner budget. I don't think I'm going to spend that much next year, because I just think I'm going to buy 2 Erin Condren Life planners, probably. I lie. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put £20 a month in, just in case something changes, just in case I need another planner during the year, in case my life changes. I'm going to put 20 quid a month in a planner budget. So for March, on here, I'm going to copy this across and add £20 for March. And this total is now going to include that extra £20. The other thing I'm going to do is, I don't know why I'm changing that. So that's going to be, sorry, this is going to be for me. The other thing I'm going to do is, so I've not put any money in this month, so that's just that. That £350 I talked about wanting to save last time, I'm going to put that into this account so that it's not in my current account and I don't think about it, and it's there as savings / paying mum back. So it's my pay back mum back early sinking fund, and I want to put £350 in there in April. So I just need to copy across these, and then I need to alter this total . And now obviously there's £350 too much. I don't want to put £20 in for my planner money at this point, so it's going to be start 0, income 0, and pay mum back early is start 0, income £350. So actually I should have waited till now, because I now need to move £350 back into that account. So really I should just not moved any money until this point, but oh well, too late now. Before I change anything else, I need to check what my direct debit for next month is, and whether that's correct. So no, apparently I never amended the sinking fund payments. So next month, so for May, it looks like 810.25, but I just need to check. I don't want to change anything else. So my car insurance worked out absolutely fine. Now I know how much my car insurance was this year. I'm just gonna divide that by 12. Just check about 45 quid is right. No, I actually only need about 35 quid in there. So I'm going to drop that car insurance down to 40. Still a bit much. I'm going to leave it up there for AIM. I'm going to drop it for AIM actually. So that's going to drop to £40 for May. That's fine. I'm building those up nicely. These all look fine to me. I forgot about that £90 when I moved the money. Whoops. The rest of that all looks good to me. Other than, I'm not going to put the 350 back in May yet because I don't know what I want to do with that. So we're going to leave that for now. So this was up to date on the 27th of April, and we're going to move the money around in accounts again. And I'm going to change the standing order as well. There we go. My standing order has been changed to £805, and then I need to send, I keep doing that, I need to send, no, that's not right, £440 back into the Starling bank account. So now in my Starling account I have 324407, and we are back to correct. Fabulous. So we copy this tab, create a copy before owed, and we rename this to May. So then we get rid of the expenditure, we get rid of this column, we get rid of, in fact we get rid of all of that basically. We copy these values across and we remember to paste values. Fabulous. And then income, we copy it from this tab here, which we have now actually definitely changed for May. And the minute we're putting 0 into pay mum back early, but we might put 300, well the aim is to put £350 back in there. So that's it with the sinking funds, and that's what I was changing. I still haven't considered that other direct debit that's 3 monthly. So last but not least, I need to look at the money in my current account. So I got an completely, well, right, so I was meant to rotate jobs because I'm a doctor, and I was gonna be working more on calls, so I was fully expecting to have a pay rise when I moved because I'd be working more. We haven't rotated, and that's fine, but instead what they've done is they've not rotated us and given us the pay rise still, because they don't want us to be financially burdened by the fact that we weren't rotating. So I've had a slightly unexpected pay rise in my pay today, which was nice. So I just need to work out what my actual current account balance is, because it's giving me two different numbers that are significantly different as my available and non-available balance. I think it's because my car insurance payment is pending, but I just want to check. So I'm just going to do some maths. Calculator, and because it's in my banking app, it's just so much easier to just do it on here. Yeah, so my actual bank balance is my pending balance, which is £4,312. So it's gone up nearly exactly £100, despite the fact I've saved 350 quid, but then I also did get a 250 quid bonus, so it would have actually gone down if I hadn't got that extra money, but that's fine. I don't really know how, because I think it's because I've been buying things for my business and not paid myself back yet. That's probably why, but that's fine. So that's it really. That is my May budget all set up. I just need to move my things across to here. Did I change anything in my sinking funds? This is where I get really confused because I don't remember whether I changed anything or not for May. Oh, my car maintenance repairs is only meant to be £80, but I've been putting 180, but now there's like 400 quid in there. Do I still need to be doing that? Maybe I will do it in May, and then June I'll put that back down. Yeah, so that's it. That is everything I have. I just need to pull this across into my actual budget spending tracker thing, and that's it. So that is everything I have for you in this video. I have obviously been using my Erin Condren to track. I don't really know how I've spent so much money. Well, I suppose a lot of my money goes into sinking funds, so I can afford things later. So that's where a lot of my money goes. And obviously I bought car insurance this month. Oh, there, there. And I bought my Erin Condren. But yeah, I need to go and have a little think about where all my money went, because the fact that my bank balance has only gone up by £100 is a bit baffling to me right now. But it might just be that I have a credit card that I pay off monthly, so it just might have taken like a month to come back. But yeah, anyway, I'm blubbering. That's all I've got for you in this video. This is long enough, and I'm going to try and edit it and get it up for Wednesday, so I need to shut up and go and get to editing it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you're enjoying my budgeting videos. But yeah, that's how I budget. I don't really know how else to talk about it. Let me know if you've got any questions down below about it, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Bye. The bye guys was like, that's not my normal bye. What am I doing? So yeah.